Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the ASUS Vivobook Go 15.6, a laptop that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, especially for those on a tight budget. Now, budget laptops often come with compromises, but ASUS is promising a big perk here, a gorgeous old display. So, is this the perfect budget machine, or are there some hidden drawbacks? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the design. The Vivobook Go 15.6 isn't the most flashy laptop out there. It's made of plastic, which keeps the weight down to a very manageable 1.6 kilograms. That makes it easy to toss in your backpack and carry around campus or the coffee shop. The design itself is pretty simple, with a mixed black color scheme that should appeal to a broad audience. Opening it up, we've got a full-size keyboard. This is great news for anyone who does a lot of typing. It's not backlit, but the keys have a decent amount of travel and feel alright for everyday use. Below that is a spacious touchpad that supports multi-touch gestures for smooth navigation. Alright, now let's get to the star of the show, this stunning old display. This is a surprising feature to find on a budget laptop, and it really makes a difference. The colors are incredibly vibrant, the blacks are deep and inky, and the contrast is amazing. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or editing photos, this display is a treat for your eyes. The resolution is a standard Full HD 1920 by 1080, which is perfectly fine for everyday tasks under the hood. The Vivobook Go 15.6 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 7300U processor paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This setup is well suited for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and streaming entertainment. Don't expect it to be a powerhouse for editing videos or running super demanding games. But for most everyday productivity and casual use, it holds its own. The storage is a 128 GB SSD, which might be a bit limiting for some users. On the bright side, the SSD makes for speedy boot times and application launches. Let's talk about connectivity options. The Vivobook Go 15.6 keeps things pretty basic. You've got two USB ports, a single USB-C port, and a headphone jack. If you rely on external displays or SD cards, you'll need to invest in some additional adapters. As for battery life, you can expect to get around 5 to 6 hours on a single charge with moderate use. This should be enough to get you through a school day or work day without scrambling for an outlet. However, if you're a power user who needs all-day battery life, you might want to consider a different laptop. So, what's the verdict on the ASUS Vivobook Go 15.6? This laptop is a compelling choice for budget-conscious users who prioritize a great display. The gorgeous old panel elevates the everyday computing experience, and the overall performance is sufficient for basic tasks. The lightweight design and decent battery life make it a good option for students and casual users. However, the storage space might be a concern for some, and the port selection is a bit limited. Also, keep in mind that it comes with Windows 11 in S mode, which restricts app installation to the Microsoft Store. Overall, the ASUS Vivobook Go 15.6 proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a laptop with a beautiful display. If you're looking for a balance between affordability and visual quality, this budget-friendly option is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Vivobook Go 15.6, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews.